Hello, and thank you for joining me once again at Catch Them Young, a career pathfinder that introduces you to all the vocational training in Germany, the Ausbildung that is done in Germany. Are you new in Germany or you're not? Are you a professional or a non-professional? Do you intend to change your career path? Then this is a channel that is good for you. Feel free to watch the videos to the end. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do. If you have, thank you very much. Don't forget to share with friends and families. It can help someone. In this video, I'll be introducing the vocational training in the area of technology. Are you interested in technology? Then this is a video you would like to watch to the end. In technology, there are 121 careers with 10 areas of specialization. The areas of specialization will be introduced in this video and subsequent ones to come. Don't forget to share with friends and families, and only you can stop you. The first area of specialization is BERUFE in the BIOTECHNOLOGIE, and the career paths under this area of specialization. The first career path is the laboranting, that is biology laboratory technician. The duration for this vocational training is 3 to 5 years. What do? They work on animal experiments. They hold and observe blood samples. In addition, they are into genetic engineering, tax, and they also work in pharmacology. They deal with the interaction between drugs and organisms. Where do they find employment? They find employment in medical and biological research institutes. They find employment in nanotechnology institutes or teaching professions that involve biology. They also work in public health systems and in hospitals. Do you need any certificate to start this career path? Yes, you need your university entrance qualification. That is your Hochschulreife. The Germans call it Hochschulreife. You need your university entrance qualification to go into this career path. It is 3 to 5 years. If you need further information concerning this career and how to proceed, feel free to contact us. The second area of specialization is the biology technician, assistanting. That is biological technical assistant. The duration for this vocational training is 2 years. And what do? They carry out and evaluate experiments in lab or in field trials. They take samples and prepare them, calculate the quantities of chemicals required to operate measuring devices. In the fields of biochemistry, they in microbiology, in botany, zoology, or medicine, they set up experimental arrangements and chemicals. Where do they find employment? They find employment in research institutes, especially in the areas of natural science, in companies that are into chemical or pharmaceutical industries, also in public administration for testing and teaching chemicals institutes. Do you need a certificate to go into this? Yes, you need your intermediate school leaving certificate. That is the Mittlere Bildungsabschluss. The Germans call it Mittlere Bildungsabschluss. So if you are interested to go into this career path, it is 2 years to take the vocational training, and you need your intermediate school leaving certificate. If you need further questions to be answered, feel free to contact us. We are here for you.